Hello everyone, welcome to our statistics channel Quality Statistics. This is our second video. In the first video we discussed the introduction of statistical view, and in that video we discussed about data, information and types of data. There are simply two types of data: primary data and secondary data, and how primary data and secondary data are collected by a surveyor, that is to be discussed today. Today's topic is collection of data. Every statistical investigation begins with a definite objective, and collection of data is the first step towards achieving that objective. At the time of collecting the data, we have to keep the basic points in mind. That is, in what purpose the data are expected to serve, in what purpose the related variables are taken into consideration, and what is the target population. The population is a large concept, but target population is a specific concept. There are two types of data: primary data and secondary data, and from the two specific sources are responsible for these data. Primary data is always the data collected from the original field of inquiry, and secondary data is a source where data originally collected earlier and earlier by other agencies and available in a published form. Now we can discuss about the collection of primary data. Primary data collected through number one, direct observation method; number two, method of designed experiment; number three, survey method, which consists of interviewer method and mailed questionnaire method. There are two sides of a survey method: number one, interviewer method; number two, mailed questionnaire method. Now we are going to discuss the direct observation method. In this method, the data are collected directly observing the units under study. Suppose we are going to discuss a game report. Suppose we are going to discuss COVID-19 report. Then by direct observation method we can collect the data. In the observation study method, the investigator makes no attempt to control any aspect of the units under study. That the studying matter should not be controlled by an interviewer. Suppose cricket reporter, political reporter, medical surveyor and different types of social surveyor, they when follows direct observation method, then they actually want to know the what happens in the field of inquiry. In this method we get two advantages. Number one, the data can be collected very easily, very quickly from the direct observations, and it is possible to get genuine information from the source. Now we discuss the second method, that is method of designed experiment. There are some situations where data are collected by conducting a designed experiment. Designed experiment means before collection of data, a structure is to be formed for the objective to collect data and analyze the data. This method has been used in collecting data for agricultural experiment, medical studies, industrial productions, etc. In this method we get the investigator can exert strict control over the units understudy, which is not done in the direct observational method discussed earlier. This method of collecting data is expensive and time consuming. In general sense, it is said that more money, more people, more sample surveyor and more time are required regarding this designed experiment method. The third method is survey method. Survey method is very important, and this has the great importance regarding statistical interpretation. Survey method is another method of collecting primary data, and in a survey method, the investigator samples a group of individuals. A group of individuals means suppose 30 people, 50 people, 100 people, a group of individuals, and their responses to the questions they are asked and recorded. This is done usually through the interviewer method or mailed questionnaire method. In interviewer method, the interviewer contacts the respondents, asks questions and fills in the schedules according to the responses. The interviewer should be properly trained. The mailed questionnaire method is used to collect data when the field of inquiry is very large. Suppose the MP election is to be considered, Lok Sabha election, then the whole Indian people are to be focus study. Here the survey has to be limited to the educated people only. In this method, the questionnaire are mailed to each of the respondents with a request to return the field in questionnaire within a stipulated time. Suppose 1 month, suppose 15 days, the time is stipulated. We get some advantages in this method, that is, it is economical. It can have great importance, great coverage. The respondents can answer freely and firstly even on some sensitive questions too, as the answers are supposed to be kept confidential and confirmed. This is the insight of the observation and insight of the interview method. In the statistical investigation, population and sample are two directions, two instruments of investigation. This is the primary instrument of investigation, and statistics is a derived subject from the different informations, different data, different collected informations. We can cite any type of decision on the basis of the collected data. This is all about today, and please keep following this channel for further updates and more interesting topics. Thank you all for watching this video.